Our biggest announcements today are focused on generative AI. Customers have quickly gone from experimenting with generative AI, helping it to answer questions, to make AI predictions, and are now building generative AI agents. Agents are intelligent entities that take action to help you achieve specific goals. For example, helping a shopper find the perfect dress, helping an employee pick the right health benefits, or having nursing staff being helped to expedite patient handoffs when shifts change. Agents process multimodal information simultaneously, conversing, reasoning, learning, and making decisions. Agents can connect with other agents and with humans, and they will transform how each of you interact with computing devices and the web itself. Now let's look at the types of agents customers are building on Google Cloud using generative AI. First, customer agents. Similar to great sales and service people, customer agents are able to listen carefully, understand your needs, recommend the right products and services. They work seamlessly across all your channels, the web, your mobile app, your point of sale, and your call center. And they can be integrated into product experiences with voice and video. Mercedes-Benz is working with us on customer agents to help people in their amazing cars. Let's hear from their CEO, Ola Kalines.
At Mercedes-Benz, we want to offer our customers an exceptional digital experience. That's why we're equipping our cars with high-end computers. Each car should only get better over time, just like a good wine. And with the power of Google Cloud and AI, we will make the user experience even more personalized. Thank you for having me.
Thanks, Ola and team. In addition to these great innovations, we're very excited to collaborate with Mercedes-Benz and work towards bringing Gemini models to their in-vehicle conversational system. Another great example is Samsung, who's deploying Gemini Pro and Imagine on Vertex AI to their Galaxy S24 smartphones. Users can now take advantage of amazing features, text summarization, organization, and magical image editing. Gemini Pro also provides Samsung with critical Google Cloud features, including security, safety, privacy, and data compliance. We're inspired by the agents our customers are creating using our generative AI platform and our models. Intercontinental Hotels Group will launch a travel planning capability to help each of you, their guests, plan their next vacation. ADT is building an agent to help customers select and set up home security systems. Verizon gives agents better recommendations. Magalu, one of Brazil's largest retailers, has put generative AI right at the heart of its customer service. ING built a chatbot to enhance self-service and improve answer quality. And Target uses AI on the Target app and website to personalize offers for Target Circle and Starbucks at Drive Up. Minnesota's Department of Public Safety helps non-English speakers get licenses and other services with real-time translation. Best Buy is building an assistant that will help troubleshoot product issues, reschedule or combine order deliveries, or manage software. Discover Financial Services is using search and synthesis across detailed policies and procedures during customer service calls. And Orange's French language agent is grounded in support knowledge, transforming their help and contact site and their customer experience. Oppo and OnePlus, leaders in smart devices, are incorporating our Gemini models and Google Cloud AI into their phone to deliver innovative customer experiences, including news, audio recording summaries, AI toolbox, and much, much more. You know, the opportunity for customer agents is tremendous. To help each of you build customer agents faster, we're introducing Vertex AI Agent Builder. You can now create customer agents that are amazingly powerful in just 3 key steps. First, you can use Gemini Pro to create free-flowing, human-like conversations with text, voice, images, and video as inputs, and personalize them with custom voice models. Second, you can use natural language instructions to control the conversation flow and guide it on specific topics you don't want it to discuss, such as current events, in the same way that you train your human agents. You can also control when it hands over to a human agent with transcription and summarization of its conversation history to make these transitions extremely smooth. Third, you can improve response quality with vector-based and keyword-based search to connect to your internal information and the entire web. You can also use extensions to complete tasks for customers, like updating contact information, booking a flight, ordering food, and many more. And you can integrate enterprise data from operational databases like AlloyDB, predictive analytics with BigQuery, and SaaS applications like ServiceNow. Let's take a look at an example of a customer agent in action. Please welcome developer advocate Amanda Lewis.
Thank you, Thomas. So last night, I was watching a video of this band, and I love the keyboard player shirt. So I was thinking, I'd really like to be wearing that shirt tomorrow night, but can I find it in my size and in time to be rocking it at the concert here in Vegas? Let's head over to my favorite store, Symbol Fashion. They just launched a customer agent, and it leverages Gemini and vector search to deliver a seamless shopping experience. What can we help you find? Well, I'd like that shirt, but I guess I have a few other specifications as well. So find me a checkered shirt like the keyboard player is wearing. I'd like to see prices, where to buy it, and how soon can I be wearing it. I'm gonna include the video. Now, the customer agent is using Gemini's multimodal reasoning to analyze the text and video to identify exactly what I'm looking for. Then, Gemini turns it into a searchable format. Okay. How cool is this? It found the checkered shirt I'm looking for, right? And some other great options in no time. And that's because these results harness Google's trusted search technologies, which ensures customers, like me, get the right results in record time. The suggested products are grounded in Symbol Fashion's inventory and historical performance data to make sure customers leave happy and with that purchase in hand. Okay, the first one is perfect. It looks like I can have it delivered in 4 days or pick it up nearby today. Like I said, I want to be wearing it tomorrow night, so I'm going to go with the local store to be safe. Of course, it never fails. They only have 3 left in my size. I don't want to miss out on wearing this shirt, so I'm going to go ahead, give the store a call, and ask them to set it aside for me. But first, let me tell you what's happening behind the scenes. Symbol Fashion's customer agent is using Google Cloud's full suite of AI capabilities to offer customized support interactions, facilitate transactions like purchases and returns, and ensure that I'm receiving the most up-to-date information in real time. I'm so close to having this shirt for the concert. Let's give the store a call.
Hi there. This is the Symbol Fashion customer agent at South Las Vegas Boulevard. Am I speaking with Amanda?
Yes, this is Amanda.
Great. Thanks for reaching out, Amanda. I see you had a session on another device. I've sent you an SMS message with a link to our live chat companion. If you would like to switch to chat, please click the link. How can I help you today?
I'd like to purchase the shirt in my cart with the card I have on file.
Absolutely. I see you're also a Symbol Fashion Rewards member. Looks like you have a 20% off voucher available to use. Would you like to apply it to this purchase?
Yes, please. That would be great.
The shirt you're purchasing goes well with these items, also available for pickup in your preferred size. Would any of these be interesting to you?
Absolutely. Please add the white shirt and the boots to my cart.
Great. Your total is $203.73. Okay to proceed with the card on file?
Yes.
Your purchase is confirmed. Do you need anything else today?
No, I'm all set. Thank you. Incredible.
Thank you for shopping with Symbol Fashion. You'll get a text when the items are ready for you.
In less than 5 minutes, I was able to find and order the shirt I wanted and an outfit to match. I'm ready for the concert. Back to you, Thomas.
Thank you, Amanda. That was awesome. Now let's talk about employee agents. Many of our customers are building employee agents using Gemini for Google Workspace and Vertex AI to help their employees be more productive and work better together. For hundreds of millions of people around the world, Uber is an essential mobile app that makes it easy to get a ride or a home delivery. There are many complex processes that must run smoothly behind the scenes for Uber to keep providing its magical user experiences. We talked with Dara Khosrowshahi, the CEO of Uber, and learned more about how they're building AI agents to help everyone.
Generative AI opens up opportunities across all parts of our business. But the opportunity I'm particularly excited about is developer and employee productivity. Our partnership with Google Cloud is helping us create a stronger and more empowered workforce. Gemini for Google Workspace helps us save time on repetitive tasks, frees up developers for higher value work, reduces our agency spending, and enhances employee retention. We're also using Google Cloud's AI platform to build our own AI agents to help our support teams better help our customers. For frontline support, we've launched new tools that intelligently summarize user communications and surface context from previous interactions. Anything that helps our teams go faster, helps our platform go faster, so our customers can get where they want to go or what they want to get delivered, all at Uber speed. With Google Cloud, Uber's creating new ways to empower our workforce and better serve our customers. Thanks for having me.
Please welcome Vice President and General Manager of Google Workspace, Aparna Pappu.
Hello, everyone. Gemini for Google Workspace is our AI-powered agent built right into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. Gemini doesn't just help our customers be more productive. It's a member of their team. Need a quick answer on something? Just ask Gemini. Need a world-class note-taker in an important meeting? Bring Gemini along. Need insights from a dozen analyst reports? Gemini is your research partner. Customers really appreciate the quality of output that Gemini for Workspace provides. More than 70% of Help Me Write users in Google Docs and Gmail accept Gemini's suggestions. And more than 75% of people who have created images and slides insert them into their presentations. We're seeing the impact of this every day with our customers. Pepperdine University has students and faculty who speak many languages. Gemini in Google Meet enables real-time translated captioning and notes. PennyMac is accelerating recruiting, hiring, and new employee onboarding. And Woolworths, the leading retailer in Australia, is seeking to unlock greater productivity for over 10,000 administrative employees by providing them with Gemini for Google Workspace. Now today, we have quite a few announcements with Gemini for Workspace. First, many customers have asked for a way to get AI-powered Google Meet and Chat company-wide at a lower price, particularly to move away from Zoom. In a recent benchmarking study that tested the top video conferencing applications, Google Meet outperformed Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and WebEx in overall video and audio performance. So we're announcing the AI meetings and messaging add-on with Take Notes for Me, chat summarization, and real-time translation. And it will only cost $10 per user per month. Second, we're making AI-powered data protection available with our brand new AI security add-on. Now, Workspace admins can automatically classify and protect sensitive files and data using privacy-preserving AI models trained for their organization. Third, Gemini and Chat can now catch you up on long conversation threads, summarize decisions, and be a real-time creative partner. Let's have product lead for Workspace collaboration apps, Christina Baer, give you a quick look at Gemini for Workspace.
Thanks, Aparna. There are lots of ways Gemini for Workspace is helping our customers save time. Let me show you the magic of one example in action. I've been asked to evaluate 2 proposals for a new payroll system. I open up my Drive and I see that there are 2 statements of work here, or SOWs, that outline the vendor proposals. Google Drive is AI ready without any additional pre-work, and everything here is protected with our industry-leading security. All I need to do to get started is drag and drop the 2 files over into the Gemini side panel, which is currently in preview. In just a few seconds, Gemini for Workspace will give me an outline of these proposals so that I can have a good idea of what they're about. And I could go even further and ask, compare the price, price of the 2 offers. Each of these documents is over 70 pages. It would have taken me hours to review these docs. But instead, Gemini is going to help me find a clean answer to save me a ton of time. And as you can see, I have the answer right here in the Gemini side panel. Let's go ahead and dive into one of these proposals. So I'm going to pick this one. One of the things that you'll notice about Gemini in Docs is that it will proactively show me a summary of this file so that I can get a sense of what's going on without needing to take the time to read the whole thing. But before I proceed with this vendor, I need to ensure that no compliance issues exist. And I'm going to be honest, I have not memorized every rule in our compliance rulebook because it is over 100 pages. I would have to need to scour the 80 pages of this proposal and compare it manually with 100 pages of the rulebook. So instead, in the side panel, I ask, does this offer comply with the following? And I'm going to just mention our compliance rulebook, hit enter, and see what Gemini has to say. Okay, so interesting. Gemini has found an issue because the supplier does not list their security certifications. Because Gemini is grounded in my company's data with source citations to specific files, I can trust this response and start to troubleshoot before selecting a vendor. Gemini for Workspace was terrific in this example, saving me a lot of time without compromising on accuracy. And this technology can be applied in so many other use cases. A sales team analyzing RFPs, a recruiter developing interview questions, and so much more. Back to you, Aparna.
Thank you, Christina. Many of our customers are building employee agents to automate workflows that are tedious and repetitive. For example, Bristol Myers Squibb is transforming its document processing for clinical trials. Something that took scientists weeks now takes them just minutes to get a first draft. DASA, the largest medical diagnostic company in Brazil, is helping physicians detect relevant findings in test results. Sutherland, a digital transformation company, is boosting its customer service by suggesting better responses and automating insights. And employee agents can work across people and teams to complete a task. One of the nation's leading healthcare providers, HCA Healthcare, is using our generative AI technology to help caregivers spend more time with patients and less on paperwork. They're testing Katie. So Katie is a nurse handoff digital assistant, helping to ensure continuity of care when one caregiver's shift ends and another begins. It delivers summaries in everyday language to ensure that caregivers can share information easily and provides them up-to-the-minute patient data to expedite the discharge process. It also helps prepare patients for recovery at home by simplifying post-discharge tasks like post-op physical therapy and more. Victoria's Secret & Company is looking to help in-store associates offer tailored recommendations to customers. The Home Depot's app, called Sidekick, helps store associates manage inventory and keep shelves stocked. Etsy uses Vertex AI to improve search, provide more personalized recommendations to buyers, optimize their ad models, and increase the accuracy of delivery dates. Vertex AI, especially when combined with Workspace, lets you create powerful employee agents. First, you create a custom model in the ways that we've shown before. From there, you connect them to all your company and web data. This can also be done with translation so that your company information is available regardless of language. Similarly, we support multimodal inputs, including videos, call audio, images, in addition to text. Now, you will want to ground that in enterprise truth, using databases like AlloyDB, BigQuery, and data from enterprise apps like SAP, and announcing today, HubSpot. Let's take a look at an example of an employee agent in action. Please welcome developer advocate Gabe Weiss.
Thanks, Aparna. Hi, folks. So I know you all want to hear about awesome AI stuff that's coming, but I need to talk to you for a minute about my annual benefits enrollment. See, I forgot. I have to finish signing up by today, and as you can see, I might be a little bit busy. So if you don't mind, let's go ahead and look at this open enrollment email together. Okay, yep, I've got a deadline. I knew that, thank you. I've got FSA stuff. I've got an online portal for my company, HR benefit. Okay, there's a lot here. Ooh, they included a video. Let's see if this makes my life easier. And the video is, okay, so it's almost an hour long. Yeah, I'm not gonna have time to review all of this stuff. Let's see how this employee agent that we've developed using Google Workspace, Gemini models, and Vertex AI might be able to help me. As you can see, it's integrated directly into my Google Chat, so I don't have to context switch while I'm figuring all this stuff out. First things first, let's have it summarize the email and the video that it sent me. Summarize the body and attached video from my recent email with subject, open enrollment closing. So behind the scenes, the agent is referencing that email body and its attachments as context in the prompt using retrieval augmented generation. That way, its response is limited to the content that matters to me. The Gemini model's multimodal capabilities allows the agent to understand and reason across text, audio, and video from a single prompt. I mean, this is a way quicker read. Okay, good. And I can immediately see that the medical plans have been completely revamped this year. Let's go ahead and jump into the benefits portal to see more. Now, I've already done my dental and my vision, but I saved the most important plan for last, my medical plan. Let's see how this option stacks against my existing coverage. Compare these coverage options to the PDF doc I have on the Platinum plan. The Gemini model's long context window, paired with Vertex extensions, enables the agent to cross-reference large amounts of data from a variety of sources, including unstructured data, like PDFs. Leveraging Gemini's advanced reasoning capabilities, the agent is able to understand the complex details of my current plan and compare it with the new options for 2025. And since the enterprise grounding features links me to the exact data that Gemini used to draw its conclusions, which you can see linked here, I can confidently trust its recommendation that the gold plan is best for me. And done. So now let's get a summary of my coverage. Let's say my house is multilingual, so I'd like to have it in Japanese also. Please generate a summary of 2025 benefits in a Google Doc in both English and Japanese. Although my source material is in English, the Gemini model's support for over 40 languages enables it to understand and respond in Japanese. And here we go. By engaging with employees in their native language, the agent can help everyone feel comfortable navigating their healthcare needs for the next year. So one last thing. Now that I've officially completed enrollment, my daughter's going to need braces this year. Let's use the agent to help me find the right orthodontist. My daughter will need braces this year. Help me find the best in-network orthodontist near my home. With Vertex extensions, the Gemini model can integrate with any external or internal API. This allows the agent to join my dental coverage details directly with real-time Google Maps and Places data to help determine the best ranked in-network providers near me. Taking a quick look at my options. Okay, so it looks like Symbol Orthodontics is the only one that offers Saturday appointments, which works best for my family schedule, but what do I really know about them? How do I know that the agent actually picked the best orthodontists? Because the Gemini model natively supports grounding with Google Search, I can see what the agent found, summarizing, saving me hours of scouring the internet for fresh information. The best part is I can get the annotations to see where the information came from, which means if I want to look for myself, I can. I have great places to start. And a quick scan of the summary shows me that they're great with kids, which is great. I particularly love this customer review. I'll go with them. Let's schedule a call. I don't know how it's going to find a schedule, though. I mean, I'm here. The agent knows that I'm at Google Cloud Next because it's integrated with Google Calendar, and it can find a time to schedule the call. Yes, please. Awesome. I've got a call. Do I need anything else? Nope, I'm good. No thanks. Perfect. Nice and easy. Just imagine what else an employee agent can help you with. Thanks. Back to you, Aparna.
That was great. Next up, creative agents. Generative AI is transforming how marketing teams are creating content, personalizing it, and making real-time campaign adjustments. Creative agents can supercharge your design and production teams, working across images, slides, and other modalities. We're seeing really interesting creative agents from customers. For example, Carrefour, one of the world's leading food retailers, is pioneering new ways to use generative AI for marketing. Now, using Vertex AI, they were able to deploy Carrefour Marketing Studio in just 5 weeks, an innovative solution to streamline the process of creating dynamic campaigns across various social networks, empowering the marketing teams to efficiently promote products and engage with their target audience. In just a few clicks, they can build ultra-personalized campaigns to deliver customers advertising that they care about. Other customers, such as Canva, are using Vertex AI to power its magic design for video, helping users skip tedious editing steps. Procter & Gamble is accelerating the development of photorealistic images and creative assets, giving teams more time back to focus on higher-level plans. WPP, the creative transformation company, built a performance brain using Gemini 1.5 Pro on Vertex AI to power its media activation tool called WPP Open Media Studio. Advertisers, like the Google Pixel team, can now see predictions of which ads are going to work the best before a single impression has been served, avoiding millions of dollars of media waste over the life of campaigns. Now, while these examples are about professional creative teams, we believe that everyone can be a great creator and a great storyteller. But the formats and tools for storytelling at work haven't really changed that much. How many times have you heard, should we start with a doc or a deck? Well, we can do a lot better. I'm absolutely thrilled to announce our newest workspace app, Google Vids. Sitting alongside Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation app for work. With Gemini in Vids, you have a video writing, production, and editing assistant all in one. Let me show you how simple it is to get started with Vids. Now, after a full week with all of you here at Next, I'm going to want to share a recap video to share all the excitement with my organization. When I open up Vids, Gemini helps me get started. I simply type in a prompt using an existing document for context. Now, based on that prompt, Gemini suggests a narrative outline for the story that I could easily customize and edit. I choose an expressive style, and Vids works its magic. Let's see what I get. So wow, just like that, I get the first draft with beautifully designed, fully animated scenes, complete with relevant stock media and music, and even a generated script. I'll be able to add fun videos and photos that I captured this week from my media directly by accessing Google Drive and Google Photos. And even without any video expertise, I can build out scenes like a pro just as easily as I make slides. But it doesn't have to stop there. With Vids, you can personalize your story your way by recording yourself or by using one of our preset voices by Gemini, and by enriching scenes with high-quality media from our stock content library or from your own to really make your story shine. And because Google Vids is a workspace app, it comes with all of the collaboration capabilities that your teams already know and love. Vids doesn't just help you create videos. It helps you become a better storyteller with a rich new medium at work. This isn't just a vision. Vids is already in the hands of alpha customers who have been giving us really great feedback as we work towards expanding to Workspace Labs in June. I'm looking forward to sharing more about Vids with all of you in my Spotlight session tomorrow. Beyond Vids, many customers are building agents for their marketing teams, audio and video production teams, and all of the creative people out there who could use a hand. We provide a tremendously powerful platform and stack to build creative agents. First, it takes the best image generation model. Imagen 2.0, our most advanced text-to-image technology, helps businesses create images that match their specific brand requirements. This is now generally available in Vertex AI. Imagen's strong language comprehension and photorealism capabilities contributed to Google securing the leadership position in the recent Forrester Computer Vision Wave. Second, as a part of Imagine, we're now introducing text to live image in preview today. Marketing and creative teams can generate animated images from a text prompt, including product images, ads, GIFs, and storyboards. Here's an example of a daylily opening in the morning dew, and a pot of something delicious simmering on the stove, or an aerial view of a mountain range. Third, we are proud to announce the general availability of digital watermarking for AI-generated images produced by Imagine. It's powered by Google DeepMind's SynthID. Finally, we're announcing new editing modes for Imagine 2.0, which will make it really easy to remove unwanted elements in an image, add new elements, and expand the borders of the image to create a wider view for all of you. When all of these tools come together, it's a powerful combination. Let's take a look at the creative agents that you can build today. Please welcome one of our field engineering leaders, Elliot Danner.
Thank you, Aparna. Our Symbol Outfitters product team is working on designing a new tent that we're eager to bring to market. The tent itself is still in development, but we want to get started on a marketing strategy right away. Let's see how the creative agent we developed with Gemini models, Imagine 2.0's API, and Google Workspace can help. First things first, let's get a sense for the look and feel of our brand. What are the key styles and themes of our brand? The creative agent can analyze previous campaigns to understand our unique brand style and apply it to new ideas. In this case, the creative agent has analyzed over 3,000 brand images, descriptions, videos, and documents of other products that we have in our catalog contained within Google Drive to create this summary. And as you can see, it's summarized our brand identity as bold, adventurous, and aspirational. This is exactly the look and feel that we're going for. The creative agent was able to use Gemini Pro's 1 million token context window and its ability to reason across text, images, and video to generate this summary. Next, I'm going to prompt our creative agent using Imagine to dynamically generate amazing new images of our tents in iconic and real outdoor settings. This will help us brainstorm campaign locations. All of this, of course, will match our unique brand style. Now, because I'm a terrible typist, I'm going to use Chrome's built-in clipboard history. So we've asked it to create these images. We'll give it just a second. Check this out. Machu Picchu. Not bad. Half Dome. These are real landmarks accurately presented. Now, let's work on a narrative to really help us land the message. I want to make special note that in this prompt, I'm going to ask the creative agent to provide captions in both English and Spanish, and that I'm using a multilingual prompt to do so. Awesome. The creative agent leveraged Gemini Pro's multimodal capabilities to brainstorm creative captions that match each photo. These look great too. And thanks to our multilingual capability, we're able to share the same story with our customers in their native language. Moving along, let's ask the agent to combine everything into a storyboard and share it with the team to get some feedback. Generate a storyboard, share it with an email group. The creative agent's going to move this into slides and share it out with that group. All done, shared with the group. They can post comments directly in Google Slides, and we can see them here for the agent to review. We'll speed up time a little bit because it's a demo and take a look at the feedback. Looks great, but there are 3 requests. First, something for less experienced campers. Second, content for the Symbol Outfitters podcast. And third, something more visually dynamic for social media. Let's start with that new storyboard. We'll use that copy-paste trick again. And you'll see, in this case, we're asking for a new image, new captions, and a new storyboard with that new audience, that relaxed camping audience. Take a look. That looks pretty relaxing to me. Looks pretty good. And there's the storyboard. Great. Just like that, the creative agent modified our ideas for a new audience. It understood our context and made the changes that we asked for. Now, let's generate that podcast. The Gemini model's complex reasoning allows me to generate a script and an audio clip in a single prompt. This much longer prompt highlights our ability to do ordered operations. We're asking the agent to create a podcast script in SSML, or Speech Synthesis Markup Language, and then passing the output to our text-to-speech API. The result will be an episode with two people discussing tense. So we'll see the script here, which we could expand if we wanted, but let's just listen to a little bit of it.
Welcome to the show. Thanks, Freya. It's great to be here. I'm always happy to geek out about gear.
That sounds really good. And I want you to notice the regionalisms in the speakers' voices. Pretty impressive, but we don't have time to listen to the whole thing because you're here for the keynote. Finally, we were asked for some engaging content for social media. Let's see what the creative agent can do using our new live image generation capability. So we'll ask it, generate some live images of our tent outdoors. For clarity, we've run this prompt before, and so you'll be seeing cache to speed things up. But these are simply beautiful. Creating content like this could take days or weeks of scouting and shooting, but our creative agent used Imagine's new text-to-live image capability to make them in minutes. The creative agent shows how Google's generative AI capability can make producing custom content easy, seamless, and a lot of fun. I'll hand it over to Brad Calder.
Thanks, Aparna and Elliot. That was amazing. I want to first talk to you today about data agents. Many of us have worked with data analysts who can answer a question and figure out the questions we should be asking. That's what great data agents will provide. And one company that we're working with who's building data agents grounded in enterprise data is Walmart. Let's hear from Suresh Kumar, their EVP and CTO.
Hello, and thank you for having me. At Walmart, we are obsessed with data. As the largest retailer in the world, the scale of our data is unmatched. Walmart has a legacy of innovating on behalf of our customers, our members, our associates, and today, our business is both vast and complex. We are working with massive amounts of complex data, and we need partners like Google Cloud to help us achieve our goals. The ability to handle huge amounts of data through BigQuery and other analytical tools has been instrumental in implementing our transformation. Artificial intelligence is embedded across our business, helping us unlock insights from our data to personalize experiences, get inventory to our supply chain, and a lot more. Using Gemini, we have enriched our data, helping us improve millions of product listings across our site, and ultimately enabling customers to make better decisions when they shop with Walmart. Our team worked closely with Google to customize their offerings, fine-tuning for our needs to power the present and enable the future of Walmart. I'm excited about our partnership as we create the future of retail.
Thank you, Suresh. We're thrilled to be helping Walmart use data agents to serve their customers. We're helping many customers build data agents. For example, Bayer is harnessing BigQuery and Vertex AI to develop digital medical solutions and drugs more efficiently, as well as streamline the creation of regulatory documentation. News Corp is using Vertex AI to search data across 30,000 sources and across 2.5 billion news articles updated daily. Woven by Toyota is collaborating with Google to leverage vast amounts of data in AI, resulting in 50% TCO savings to support automated driving. Mercado Libre is using BigQuery and Looker to optimize capacity planning and reservations, with delivery carriers and airlines to fulfill shipments faster. And thousands of scientific researchers at Mayo Clinic search over 50 petabytes of clinical data using Vertex AI search. Tokopedia, an Indonesian e-commerce leader, is using Vertex AI to improve data quality, increasing unique products sold by 5%. And Vodafone uses Vertex AI to allow 800 operators to rapidly search over 10,000 contracts. Then we have partners like Onyx and Data Medica who help our customers build data agents. Now, these data agents have the potential to unlock new ways to find and act on meaningful signals from your data. They're built with AI for complex analysis, and they have to ensure factual integrity of their results. And to help power these data agents, we're making it easy to bring your data to Google Cloud with Gemini and BigQuery. Gemini and BigQuery helps with data preparation, discovery, analysis, and governance, and comes with a new BigQuery Data Canvas, which is a new notebook-like experience supporting natural language queries and embedded visualizations. Now, data professionals can get assistance for building their data pipelines to improve performance, reduce errors, and lower costs. And today, we're introducing new query capabilities using Vertex indexing directly in BigQuery and AlloyDB. This allows you to leverage AI over your data where it is stored, enabling real-time and accurate responses for AI applications. We're also building seamless connection from BigQuery to Vertex AI to give you direct access to AI models in Vertex from BigQuery. Now, BigQuery and Vertex together deliver up to 4 times faster performance and are up to 3 times more cost-effective than the other data warehouse and AI platforms. Now, this allows you to seamlessly combine your AI models, classical ML operators, and statistical functions together in your data pipelines for multimodal analysis. And with this new capability, you can analyze documents, videos, images, and audio recordings together with your structured data. And finally, we've improved the integration between Looker and your data agents as part of the Gemini and Looker preview. We've added new AI capabilities that enable you to chat with your business data with seamless integration with Google Workspace. And together, these solutions make it easier to analyze and activate your data. Let's see how this comes together in a demo. Please welcome Director of Outbound Product Management in Data Analytics, Yasmin Ahmood.
Thank you, Brad. We have built a great data agent, one that connects all of your data, incorporates GenAI, and even has collaboration. It's a custom application built with BigQuery, Looker, and Vertex AI. Shoot, I could have sworn my notifications were on silent. But wait, what's this? This is cool. It's my data agent giving me a notification that sales are up. Well, maybe it's because of her cloud shoes. Because surely, shouldn't all keynote speakers get keynote sneakers? All right, let's explore with our data agent. What you're seeing here are real-time KPIs, the metrics that matter the most, being continuously monitored from my enterprise data in BigQuery to surface anomalies and trends. Let's dig in. Let's explore cloud shoe sales over customer segments and territories in a heat map. Our data agent uses the Looker semantic layer to effectively ground its AI in specific business data and data definitions that give us trusted answers.
And in this case, it's right down to the territory and even customer segment. I also see other data details that give me source and traceability, so I know I can trust this data. I wonder, how might this trend be impacting other KPIs stored in my semantic layer? Let's ask. How does demand correlate with other core business metrics? Okay. Our data agent again uses the Looker semantic layer to find other business metrics that are similar and looks for anomalies. In fact, I've got 3 helpful insights. I can actually dig into supply and demand levels over the next 3 months by clicking this first tile. Our data agent is now using BigQuery machine learning to build a future-looking forecast. And it looks like it's found a gap in supply versus demand, and it's only growing. I might need a substitute product to help me meet demand. Well, isn't it great that in BigQuery, we have inventoried our 50,000 shoe catalog collection, including multimodal data like product descriptions, pricing, and even images. And with BigQuery vector embeddings, these images with different colors, shapes, lines, and styles can be queried easily to do a similarity match. So let's enter a prompt. Find me similar products in our catalog that look like, and we're going to upload an image of our cloud shoe. And with that, our agent has all of the information it needs to do that search, and it's found 3 top matches and combined these images with structured data about pricing and delivery schedules. Well, given I need a similar looking shoe and delivery times are important, I think option 1 looks great. Isn't this incredible? However, we do need to make it actionable. After all, insights that aren't actioned aren't very useful. So let's share this with the team. Our Looker and Workspace integrations now make this super easy. We can simply send a summary of the alert and search insights over chat to our symbol inventory team. And with that, our data agent compiles that summary, and it's even come back with a sheet containing all of the raw data and insights. I sure do want to share these with the team. And with that, our team now can make confident decisions with all of the data and insights they need, all powered through BigQuery, Looker, and Vertex AI. The combination of these technologies is truly game-changing. Back to you, Brad.
Thanks, Yasmin. That was amazing. Now I want to shift and talk to you about code agents. There's so much upside for helping developers and product teams to design, create, and operate applications, and to ramp up on new languages and code bases faster. And one company investing to help their developers is Wayfair. Let's hear from Fiona, their CTO.
At Wayfair, we're here to help our over 22 million customers create their feeling of home. As a digitally native retailer, our tech platform is the bedrock of our growth. Our developers' needs are top of mind for us. We strongly believe generative AI will be at the forefront of this work, and we want to provide them with access to generative AI coding tools, enabling them to build faster and with greater quality, and ultimately enhancing their job satisfaction. We chose Gemini Code Assist after running a number of pilots and evaluations that measured metrics pertaining to speed, quality, and sentiment. When we looked at the results against a control, it showed that Gemini Code Assist brought in significant improvements across the spectrum. For example, developers were able to set up their environments 55% faster than before. There was over 48% increase in unit test coverage for the code, and 60% of developers reported they were now able to focus on more satisfying work. We're now rolling it out on demand to all developers and are building a suite of workforce productivity tools like automated code review, document search, and chat. We're excited to see how code agents can continue to increase developer productivity and satisfaction. And at Wayfair, we look forward to continuing our innovation with Google Cloud. Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Fiona. Our enterprise-focused AI code assistance is now called Gemini Code Assist. We've used Code Assist internally with significant impact as shown here. And we're seeing the same success from our customers. For example, Turing, an AI-powered tech services company, is accelerating development with Gemini Code Assist. They're customizing Code Assist using their private code base, empowering their developers with highly personalized and context-relevant coding suggestions. They've increased their productivity by 30%, helping ship higher quality work faster and enhancing the day-to-day experience of their developers. Similarly, Quantify also saw developer productivity gains of over 30%. Likewise, Capgemini saw coding velocity increase alongside improvements in code security, quality, and test coverage. And Commerce Banks helps their developers with Code Assist's robust security and compliance features. Now, Gemini Code Assist provides enterprise-grade coding assistant that supports your code base anywhere. On premises, GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, and even across multiple repositories. We do not require your code to be only in GitHub. In addition, our global footprint allows us to provide optimal performance for developers worldwide and support data residency. The other leading provider only supports repositories in one country, which may be inadequate for customers who have strict data residency requirements. And today, I'm excited to announce two key additions to meet enterprise development needs. First, we're integrating the power of Gemini 1.5 Pro into Gemini Code Assist. This upgrade brings a massive 1 million token context window to coding, which is the largest in the industry. This revolutionizes coding, allowing you to perform large-scale changes across your entire code base. Second, we're announcing Gemini Cloud Assist, which works across your application lifecycle, making it easier to design, operate, troubleshoot, and optimize your application. Now, these solutions work together to help developers and operators be more efficient. Now, please welcome our product manager for GenAI, Paige Bailey, for our final demo.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Brad, and hey there, Las Vegas. So let's take a look at what's coming for Code Assist with Gemini 1.5 Pro, leveraging a 1 million token context window. I'm a new developer with Symbol Outfitters. And today, we show recommended products to customers only after they've made an initial selection. These suggestions are powered by our custom-built recommendation service based on previous purchases. But now, the marketing department has asked me to move this feature to our homepage so that customers can see products that they might be interested in as soon as they get to our site. Our design department has created a mock-up of what they would want this experience to look like in Figma. And for the developers out there, you know that this means we're going to need to add padding in the home page, modify some views, make sure that the configs are changed for our microservices. And typically, it would take me a week or two to even just get familiarized with our company's code base, which has over 100,000 lines of code across 11 services. But now, with Gemini Code Assist, as a new engineer on the team, I can be more productive than ever and can accomplish all of this work in just a matter of minutes. This is because Gemini's code transformations with full codebase awareness allows us to easily reason through our entire codebase. And in comparison, other models out there can't handle anything beyond 12 to 15,000 lines of code. And even then, they struggle to get it right. Gemini inside of Code Assist is so intelligent that we can just give it our business requirements, including the visual design. So let's ask. Here I am prompting Gemini to add a For You recommendation section on the homepage, along with an image of the future state to show the improved design. Almost immediately, Gemini Code Assist starts by reasoning about the code changes that it needs to make and has insights an experienced teammate would have. For example, because we asked Gemini Code Assist to change the recommendation service, it was able to find the recommendation function and extract out the exact details needed to make the call to the recommendation service. It highlights the files needing to be changed and reveals the reasoning behind its recommendations, using our own code base for context. Gemini Code Assist doesn't just suggest code edits. It provides clear recommendations and makes sure that all of these recommendations are aligned with Symbol Outfitter's security and compliance requirements. In Code Assist, we've also added an option to apply the edit, which keeps me as the developer in the driver's seat. So let's take a look at the source code changes that Gemini Code Assist has made in our code base. It looks like we have multiple edits across two files, handlers.go and also home.html. Gemini Code Assist even applied these changes to the full repository. And to put this in context, no pun intended, it would have taken me over 70 hours nonstop to even just read through all of these files. And just like I would with any code change, my next step is to check the work out by testing out the modified app locally. So let's try it. And there we go. The For You recommendation section is exactly what our marketing team was asking for. And as a new developer, I was able to make a meaningful contribution on my very first day. So let's recap. Behind the scenes, Gemini has analyzed my entire code base in GitLab. It's implemented a new feature and has ensured that all of the code generated is compatible with my company's standards and requirements. We are so excited for you to try out Gemini Code Assist. Over to you, Thomas.
Thank you, Paige. Thanks, Brad. That was amazing. Now let's talk about security agents. With security and generative AI, we focused in three important areas. First, to ensure that our generative AI platform protects the privacy and security of the data. We provide sovereignty and compliance controls, including data location, encryption, access control, and auditing. Second, we continue to enhance our AI platform to protect your models and agents from cyber attacks, such as malicious prompt injection. Third, we're applying generative AI to create security agents that assist security operations teams by radically increasing the speed of investigations. Palo Alto Networks is building on Google Cloud AI. They share this vision with us. Let's hear from Nikesh Arora, their CEO.
Google Cloud and Palo Alto have had a shared vision around how do we take generative AI and make it work together as the whole world moves towards this new paradigm. So what we did do over the last 5 or 6 years, working in partnership with Google, work on building cloud security capability, and most recently, building our Cortex XSIAM platform, which effectively reinvents security operations, and of course, in perfect time, because we leverage tremendous amounts of machine learning, precision AI, generative AI, to make sure that our customers are able to detect, be able to stop, remediate all these cybersecurity attacks as quickly as possible so they can go ahead and do what they need to do. Very excited about all the capabilities that Gemini brings to the fore. We noticed this large language model has allowed us to do things a little faster, get more precise, and we're hitting numbers north of 90% in terms of accuracy. Effectively, what we've seen in our early trials, that it makes our usability better, our explainability better. The fact that we can combine our product capabilities leverage the large language model we can get as part of our Google Cloud partnerships, we're going to be able to create more and more ease of use and automation. So couldn't be more excited about things to come with Gemini. Really excited about the AI partnership with Google. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Nikesh. Security agents will help each of you in every stage of the security lifecycle, from prevention, detection, and response. Let's start with threat intelligence. We're able to take the experience and intelligence we gather from protecting Google's own services, combine it with Mandiant's leading frontline insight from their work in incident response to show you emerging threats, their severity, and risk factors. Today, Gemini in Threat Intelligence, a new product, enables you to use natural language prompts to get deep insight about threat behavior actors. In other security offerings, we use Gemini 1.5 Pro's long context to analyze large samples of potential malicious code or malware to see the interaction between modules and to reveal their true malicious intent. To quickly identify and address threats, you can use Gemini in security operations to summarize and explain findings, recommend next steps, and even write and execute remediation playbooks. Next, you can use Gemini in our Security Command Center to evaluate your security posture, findings, and summarize attack paths to help understand cloud risks so you can remediate them. Leading organizations are already seeing benefits by integrating their own intelligence into Google SecOps. Charles Schwab analysts better prioritize work and respond to threats. Grupo Boticário, one of the largest beauty and cosmetics companies in Brazil, employs real-time models to prevent fraud and respond to issues. For Pfizer, data sources that used to take days to aggregate can now be analyzed in just a few seconds. And BBVA has seen similar results. Fiserv's security operations engineers create detections and playbooks with much less efforts, while analysts get answers faster. Today, we've announced dozens of new capabilities across every layer of our optimized AI stack. We know that each of you needs all of this to work with your existing systems and to be supported by a broad ecosystem that gives you choice. Our open platform offers choice at every layer, including chips for training and serving, your choice of models, your choice of development environments, databases, including vector databases, and your choice of business applications. We're building with a broad ecosystem of partners, including independent software vendors and technology partners. And our services partners have been aggressively ramping their capabilities, with our global system integrator partners alone committing to train over 200,000 professionals on our GenAI products. We're at a pivotal moment in our industry. Together, we're creating a new era of generative AI agents built on a new, truly open platform for AI. And we're reinventing infrastructure to support it. To all of our customers and partners, thank you all so much for your partnership. We have an amazing 3 days planned for all of you, with a great set of sessions and keynotes still to come. To everyone here, those watching online, to the amazing team that put this event together, thank you for joining us for Cloud Next. Together, we're building the new way to cloud. Have an amazing event.
So, there was a recent announcement from Google. They are introducing 6 AI agents. They are customer agents, employee agents, creative agents, data agents, code agents, and the security agents. So these are the agents they are going to work this year and the futures. Let's discuss about the agents each one by one and in detail. Let me quickly show you the demo that the announcements they have introduced. Pay attention to this video.